Hi, and welcome to the opening of pack number 10 from the Mystery Booster box. So let's get right into it. Okay, let's see here what we have. Just get this open. Stick here. There we go. So, let's see here. Oh, a Thraben standard bearer. A common white there. Okay, we have the sensor splicer. Pretty nice. Common white there as well. We have a Vulcan Tern. Blue bird there. We have Divination. Nice blue sorcery there. Then we have the Dread Return. Uncommon black there. We have a Smiting Helix. Also an uncommon black sorcery there. Then we have a Goblin Fireslinger. Nice red Goblin Warrior there. We have a Mog War Marshal. Goblin Warrior. Then we have the Vast Wood Gorger. Green worm there. We have the Commune with the Gods, not guards. Then we have the Ethereal Ambush for the multicolor there. And we have an uncommon land, Crosane Verge. Nice. And we also have a rare land, Guildleaf Palace. Nice. Oh, and we have Fibblepup the Lost. A rare there. Oh, and we have a Marrownor for the foil. Pretty nice there. Nice. So let's just get these lined up a little bit better here. There we go. So that was the 10th opening, and leave a like or a comment at the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.